Yo, 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 ladies and gentlemen and ladies, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started on putting these taillights in, I just got to take this second to thank all of you who left nice comments in the last video. We're all doing pretty good now. I'm about 95% better. Shannon's probably about 70. She actually had it a lot worse than I did. Her and I just want to thank you so much for all your kind words. We greatly appreciate it. It means a lot. And another thing, from the last video, I missed probably 10 or 12 of you, and more of you have sent me your pictures. So what I'm gonna do at the end of every video, I'm gonna toss 1 or 2 of you in at the end, just to give back to you guys. And I'm gonna do that from now on. So if you wanna send me your pictures, hit me up, 717_project, shoot me a message, send me a bunch of pictures. Now, I've taken these taillights out in multiple videos previously, so I'm just gonna time lapse taking them out. So these lights are really easy to remove. On the trunk, you got to remove that matting, and then there's 3 10 mils on either light, and then the ones on the quarter panel are real easy too. There's 2 Phillips right here, and then these 2 clip holes right here. You just got to thread in there and just pull them out. All right, let's check out these tail lights. Now you can get 3 different kinds. So you can get clear, smoked, and then red ones. I went with the red ones. Let's check it out and see what they look like. Woohoo! Now you always want to keep your factory lights. Don't ever get rid of them, just because if they end up breaking, you can always put these back in. And luckily these slide right back in the box. All right, so I'm going to install the ones on the trunk first. This is to do the animation between both tail lights. Okay, so before I put the quarter panel lights in, I'm going to run these wires first. Now, I think it's going to be fairly easy. Okay, so now this is how I ran this wire. I just pulled the grommet out, ran the wire in behind the matting, pushed it through, and pulled that grommet back out. And then what I'll do is I'm going to have to get some zip ties. Now I'll zip tie the rest of the wire up through here, and then I'll try to follow it up here, and maybe even try to swing it up in here. That way the matting doesn't get in the way. Now, I'm not going to cut them off quite yet, not until I'm completely done, but as you can see, I just tuck that back in there. I'll be able to pop those clips back in, and I got it zip tied the whole way up here. I can tighten that a little bit more. Now, I'm not going to leave them tight. And then I ran it up through here, tucked it up, back up through there, and everything is plugged in right here. Now, I gotta do the same thing to this side. But before I do that, I'm gonna put that light in. Before I push that in the whole way, I'm gonna hit the button, make sure it works. Looks like that part works. Let me hit the brakes. No open or closing issue, so should be really good. I could actually probably put the map back on, but let's hook this one up first, and then we'll make sure that all the lights work, and then we'll button everything back up. Tested all the lights out, works perfectly. I'm gonna button it all back up, and then I'll show you guys. Now my boy K-Poo now has a website. www.swaautosports.com. Make sure to go there, order yourself a pair. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. This was your boy Miller. I'll see you in the next one.